एक खास बातचीत में फिल्म के डायरेक्टर प्रकाश झा ने बताया कि किस तरह से फिल्म के कॉन्सेप्ट की शुरुआत हुई।
Oh, it began as a concept 4 or 5 years ago. Well, I was still shooting Rajniti, and at that point of time I only had an idea, and then I started taking notes and I started working towards finding a story. And after I finished my film Arakshan, I had a story in mind. Arakshan was about a particular issue. This is about a wider social issue where, you know, which is kind of like, you know, become it's, as you call, the season of protest, which is happening all over the world. So as we were working on the script, things were happening all around the world, whether it was Wall Street or whether it was Brazil or Bangladesh or Anna Hazare's movement. They were all kind of like, I mean, we started working on the street much before Anna Hazare's movement happened.
अब जानते हैं फिल्म के डायरेक्टर प्रकाश झा से कि अमिताभ बच्चन का किस तरह से इस फिल्म के साथ जुड़ना हुआ।
Have the story and you have the characters developing, you have the dynamics and you have the conflicts, and eventually as your story begins to take shape and the characters begin to emerge and become stronger, you start thinking of who might, you know, fit into that character best. And as soon as we had this character of Prabhakar Anand, Dwarka Anand, I'm sorry, Prabhakar Anand is from Arakshan, and we immediately thought of Mr. Bachchan because it was, you know, his stature, his age. But I didn't immediately go and narrate the story to him till I was completely ready with the script, because when you narrate your story or script to an actor, and especially like an actor like Mr. Bachchan, who will have questions, who will want to satisfy himself, you have to be completely ready.
अमिताभ बच्चन ने बताया कि ये फिल्म पिता और पुत्र के रिश्ते के बारे में है और इस फिल्म में सामाजिक और राजनीतिक विषयों को भी दर्शाया गया है।
Well, the story is, as Prakash ji just told you, it's really a story between a father and a son. A father who's lost his son, a son who's in search for a father, and during this concept of their relationship, the circumstances that prevail in and around them, socially and politically, driving them to come together into a silent protest. That's what the story is all about. Now, these are stories, these are films, and we play characters and we play roles. What our individual and personal thinking is, I at least would like to keep it personal and individual. But if for some reason, and if there is an aspect of a particular story which can become inspirational for somebody, then it's a moment of joy and happiness for us.
अमिताभ बच्चन ने कहा है कि वो डायरेक्टर्स एक्टर हैं और डायरेक्टर के मुताबिक अपना काम डिलीवर करना पसंद करते हैं।
If I have discussion and debate questions, I would rather do that before I go in front of the camera. And we do that. With Prakash ji, we've had many sessions before actually getting on set. During the writing stage, during the narration, during his concept of what the scenes are going to be like. I have questioned him, he has questioned me. We have arguments on why this is like this and why shouldn't it be this.
Do you feel that?
But all of that is, you know, before we actually go on set.
अब देखना ये होगा कि रिलीज के बाद ये फिल्म दर्शकों को कितनी पसंद आएगी। एंटरटेनमेंट डेस्क से जयदीप मित्रा, डे एंड नाइट न्यूज।
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए। हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर। खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन।